Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to explore how Context AI integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows. Specifically, I'll walk you through the CI/CD integration, Jira plugin, and other available plugins like Slack, ClickUp, Jenkins, and more. By the end of this lesson, you'll clearly understand how to connect Context AI with the tools your team already uses, so you can streamline communication, bug tracking, and automation. All right, let's get started. I'll head over to the Settings panel inside Context AI. Once inside, you'll notice a dedicated Plugins section. This is where you'll find all the integrations that can be connected to your project. Here's the list of available plugins. Jira, for issue tracking and agile workflows. Slack, for real-time team notifications. ClickUp, for task and project management. Private Grid, for running tests in secure, isolated environments. Jenkins, for continuous integration and deployment pipelines. And these aren't just available integrations. These are active plugins, meaning they're ready to be configured and connected with just a few clicks. Now, why does this matter? If your team is already using Jira, you can automatically log bugs, sync test results, and update tickets directly from Context AI without leaving the platform. With Slack, you can instantly notify your team whenever a test run passes, fails, or encounters critical issues. For teams managing workflows in ClickUp, you can map tasks, defects, and automation updates directly into your existing project boards. And when it comes to Jenkins, the integration allows you to trigger test executions automatically as part of your CI/CD pipeline, helping you catch issues before they reach production. This means you no longer have to manually switch between tools. Context AI ensures that everything, tests, bugs, notifications, and deployments are all connected in one smooth ecosystem. For example, let's say you've set up the Jira plugin. Whenever a test fails in Context AI, it can automatically create a Jira ticket, attach the relevant logs and screenshots, and assign it to the right developer. At the same time, a notification can be sent to your Slack channel, so your QA and development teams are instantly aligned on what went wrong. And that's the power of integrations in Context AI, keeping your workflow efficient, reducing manual effort, and ensuring every stakeholder stays informed. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into configuring one of these plugins step by step so you can set it up for your own team. Thanks for watching, and let's continue building smarter, faster, and more connected test automation workflows with Context AI.